Well, people, today is the day we've all been waiting for. Today is the day we finally, hopefully, hear this thing run again. This Toyota Hilux turbo diesel engine that turned out to be completely shot when I got it. Needed a whole new block. I had to get a new block from China and everything, and now I finally got it. Got it all put back together and got it installed in the Jeep again. And then yesterday I didn't have any oil to put in it, so I couldn't start it. I was pretty much ready to test start it last night, but had no oil and didn't want to go to the store, and got oil for it now. And got a few things. I still gotta do some things with this broke off. Got oil supplied to the turbo, oil supplied to the alternator. An alternator that is lubed by engine oil. It is the weirdest thing. We're excited to get this thing running today. This right here is where we will touch a wire to engage the starter to start it. The injector pump has a plug here that we have to feed positive power to. Okay, we've got power hooked up to the injector pump. We got power hooked up to the fuel pump. We got water. We guys started pivots. Let's try this again. Making smoke. What do you know? It's burning my eyes. Two places, over here and over there. I don't know what goes there. The other engine block that I took out of here did not have that hole. Okay, I plugged there it is. Plugged the spot that the oil was coming into the alternator. So we just bypassed the whole alternator oil problem altogether right now. And over on this side, that big gaping hole we had, I put a plate over it. So now we can try this again. See if we can run this thing long enough to figure out why it's running so rough. And get the injection timing sorted out or whatever's going on. Hard with only one hand. It could definitely need some new injectors. There is that possibility.